So we just did the read aloud activity with a focus on phonological awareness and playing with sounds. And the sound level that we chose to focus on was the syllable level. When you're selecting your book, you might want to consider choosing a book that goes with the current theme in class. It could be community helpers or, pre-summer vacation. You always want to choose the book and then read it through once so that the children can get the meaning of the book as well as hear the vocabulary in the book. When you're selecting a book, you also want to consider what level of phonological awareness you are working on. If you're working on segmenting or blending, for example. So for syllable segmentation, what we do is a sort of a say it, break it, and then blend it model, where we first show the students the word, ask them to say the word, and then we break the word up into syllables, and then we blend it back together. So one of the ways that you can do this is by clapping the word out, or the way that we did it in this particular read aloud is we use our left arm as being the word, and we use the right arm to chop up the word. And the idea is that the motion goes from left to right, just like print. And also in using the arm, instead of just clapping out the word, the children can then see the progression from left to right, and it also helps them to think back and to remember how many syllables they have. So for example, with a word like vacation, you would have your left arm out for the word, and then you would use your right hand to chop the word vacation. And in the say it, break it, and blend it model, you first have the child say the word vacation, and then you can show them vacation, and then blend it together, vacation. You want to follow a gradual release of responsibility model where first you are modeling it, so you may want to turn your back to the class so they can actually see the motion from left to right, and then have them do it with you together, and then give them a word so that they can try it out on their own. So when you're planning your read aloud, especially for syllable segmentation, you'll want to choose words which have different numbers of syllables. So 1 syllable, 2 syllable, 3 syllable, and 4 syllable. So as you flip through the book in your planning, you can put sticky notes on the page, and on the back of the sticky note, you can write the word that you selected to highlight. And do plan to pause about every 2 pages, every other page, just so you're not stopping on every single page and interrupting the read aloud too much.